Good morning, Vince Benedetto reporting live for Live Futures Talk from our studios on West Jackson with your pregame in the soybean market for what we like to refer to as Friday opposite. And we're going to term this today Friday rock and roll because the much anticipated USDA number came out today and it was bullish as heck. They were looking for a 157, 1.58 number. Came out 1.45. That's friendly in its own right to allow 15 to 20 to 30 higher. But they had this carryout number, which was 185, much lower than the number for which they were looking. And this is going to rock the November. They're going to come out and buy the November right out of the chute. So everything, the talk, at least initially here, is bullish. I've heard anything from 15 to 25 to 40 to limit up. We think it's going to go limit up at some time today. Don't know if it's going to do it on the open. So you'll have to, if you're trading it, watch it a little bit closer to the opening to get your calls here. But right now, 40 higher is what we're calling it. Outsides, though, on fire. Crude was up $1.85 a little while ago. Gold was up about $0.50, and the euro is up 44 ticks. Besides the USDA number, which everybody waited for this morning, it's starting to heat up in Argentina, like we mentioned. More heated, no signs of any resolution in that strike, so that's providing some more bullish impetus. And also the weather is still wet. They're not going to be able to get in for the corn. They're pushing out plantings, and now everybody's going to be talking about that too. All right, let's take a look at the numbers because it's going to be all over the place. We'll start higher because that's where it's going to be. 17.25 is your up number. 19.5, that's only 9/10 higher. 19.5 is your first set of resistance. And in that area too, you've got the 17.18 is the 40-day and the 30-day like that too. So above that, you've got 28.5, 29.5, and 30. 30 being your 100-day. Then 39.50, which was last week's high. But here's your area, at least initially. I think if we open up into this and we fail, use this as your auxiliary swing. 58's a big one with 59.5 being a weekly, and then 61 is another set of resistance. So that 58 to 61 level is nice. Above that, 72. Conversely, downside, and believe me, anything can happen. Friday opposite means it opens higher and goes lower, but sometimes you got to toss that out on big number days. The weekly swing is 01.25. This 13 even, right at the buck, which we like, is your first set of daily support and your 10-day. Below that, the down number is 94.75. 91.25 is your second set of daily support, 87 to 85. 71, 60 small, and then 46.5 is a weekly. Let's go over the numbers one more time. Top side, 10.25 is your daily swing. 17.25 up, 19.25, 17, 18, that area there is your 30-40 day. It's called higher than that. 28.5 to 29.5 is another level. Some people are calling it higher than that. What do we have next? This 39 level small, 50 was last week's high, but once again, 58 big, 59.5 weekly, and 61's a nice number two, and then above that, 72 on the downside. 13.01.25 is that weekly swing, juicy number. The dollar is the 10-day and your first set of support. 94 in the orders is your down number. 91.25 is support. 87 to 85, nice area too. 71, 60, and then 46.5. Have a good trading day today. You trade the number on these numbers days. Be careful out there, though. Anything can happen. Watch the rumors, watch the weather, and don't forget to watch Christina for her updates. Vince Benedetto reporting live for Live Futures Talk from our studios on West Jackson. We'll be back after the close with our parameters for the weekend trade and with your weekly numbers. Have a good one today. Be careful out there. Take care.